Oke guys, kembali lagi bersama saya CakGi. Nah, di video kali ini saya akan main GTA San Andreas versi original di PC. Oke, seperti inilah penampakan game GTA Ori. Oke, kita sudah masuk.
After 5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
Kita klik enter. Oke guys, kita sudah masuk di dalam GTA San Andreas original versi PC. Oke, kita akan mencari motor drag.
About time, man.
Kita akan curi mobil saja guys. Cepat.
Plant that blooms every 12 years, is 8 foot high and smells like hell. I want to plant one on my ex-wife's lawn.
It's called amorphophallus titanium. God, I love saying that. Amorphophallus titanium. The sound of it gives me a redwood in my khakis. If I come back as a superhero, I want to be called that. It's amorphophallus titanium, the rare botanical wonder. See his 8-foot protrusion as he pollinates on everyone.
But why does it seem so bad?
It's about marking your territory, my man. You don't mark your territory, do you? You should try it. Pee on the front door of your office. Just see if anybody thinks of coming near you.
Okay, I would try that. Thank you so much for the advice, Marie.
Oh, I'm here to help, sailor.
Gardening with Maurice, only on WCTR. Next up on WCTR, the news. We try to make it interesting and not depressing. This is Leanne Bourget, WCTR News. Foreigners are coming. Who are they and why should we care? The FDA warns shampoo is killing your unborn child. Plus, protests continue outside the Zebra Bar Candy Company. Now for traffic and transit with Richard Burns.
That's right, Leanne. I'm Richard Burns. The aftermath of the devastating earthquake continues. Travel is still severely restricted statewide. Officials say there are still no reported casualties, which is truly unfortunate as it makes for incredibly boring news. The federal government is still refusing aid to help rebuild bridges, and everyone is blaming each other. The governor is threatening to bomb Australia, despite scientific proof it wasn't their fault. Richard Burns, WCTR.
Police say gang trouble is on the rise again, especially in Los Santos. Sources believe it is linked to the rising drugs trade, while others blame the fascist pigs. Also in gang news, customs officials report a huge influx of Russian mobsters and cheap weapons since the fall of the wall. The governor's office said everything is okay. In Vinewood news, rapper Mad Dog was celebrating the launch of his new clothing line. Richard caught up with him.
The thing about Mad Dog is, think about becoming a superstar. I mean, you know, I've done everything I could do in the rap game. One shit hands down. Nobody can handle me, you know? Lifetime champ, no shit. I say shit. Oh, hey man, it's cool. That's cool. Okay, no shit. I got clothes. I got labels coming out, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing drinks. I got shoes, tires, rims. Thinking, you know, next stage.
Baik, jika teman-teman sudah selesai mengekstrak, yang meledak ekstraknya, kalian klik lagi. Nah, di bagian GTA SA, kalian
Troubled man. Sounds like he should lay off the sauce. Also today, a Tourette's theater group banned from the...
Aduh guys. Oke, jatuh lagi guys. Nah, ini dia. Nah, kalian klik kanan dan klik run as administrator.
Have you ever worked a day in your life?
Nah, sudah siap ya guys, kita sprint guys. Run.
Come on, move your arm
Sebelum
back here.
dia
Pick up my
orang.
purse.
Oke.
Grove Street smells like pussy. What you claiming? Get the fuck back here. Grove Street sucks my dick.
Sangat gampang sekali.
Welcome back to the Trading Zone! Now it's time for something really important. Fat men talking about games they don't really understand, played by people they don't know.
I'm your host, Derek Thackeray. What a great year it's been. Let's recap. Drug scandals involving preschool soccer moms. And the national finals, rich and popular people are fighting it out.
Sudah full screen guys. Oke, langsung kita start game.
Visit the greatest moments.
Here he comes. He's in the shadows. There he is. Is he going to make it? Yes, he did. Ladies and gentlemen, what you have just witnessed is the biggest moment in world history. Who cares about a Declaration of Independence or discovery of penicillin? You have just seen one man score a point. When the rest of the world discovers TV, they'll be able to see this. Wow, isn't that amazing? He did what he was paid to do.
We love sports. Governor Logan, let's talk about it. Stay tight and let's go to the votes.
Oke, lumayan lah. Karena saya main sambil nge-record kan ada bebannya.
It's the fantasy game that's sweeping the country, the Cavern of Sorrow. Learn about our exciting history and have fun, too.
I'm a holy warrior on a quest. I'll kill you if you don't believe like I do. You can't be...
Ke rumah tingkat yang ada motor dragnya.
Remember our adventure at Gash Canyon?
The Cavern of Sorrow. Gather ye friends and embark on historical adventures.
I'll cut your head off with my sword. Oh, no, you won't. I have a metal neck given to me by Gorath the Backdog. I got it when we traveled to the nether regions of Gorthback. There I had 8 lives.
Joystick, kalian tinggal tonton video saya. Nah, nanti saya akan buatkan tutorialnya.
Cavern of Sorrow, or will it find you?
The Cavern of Sorrow.
Up next, it's Area 53 and Marvin Trill, broadcasting live from his...
Sangat detail sekali. Oke. Kita bakal menuju ke jembatan dan masuk ke terowongan. Tuh guys, nah sampai detailnya, sampai bayangan saja kelihatan tuh guys. Memang ke teori, memanglah detail. Oke, kita masuk. Waduh guys, tertabrak nih. Saking sulitnya menggerakkan controller sampai kita tertabrak. Kita klik F untuk menaiki sepeda. Nah, kita lewat di sini guys. Nah, itu dia. Oke, kita masuk. Nah, di lantai 2 ini saya menemukan motor drag lagi. Nah, konon katanya jika motor drag yang ada di lantai 2 ini tidak kencang atau tidak bisa ngebut, mitos atau fakta guys. Ya, kita ke atas lagi untuk mencari motor drag. Biasanya yang paling atas ini katanya kencang guys. Apakah benar? Oke, saya akan ke atas. Waduh, sulit guys. Menggunakan sepeda ini, kontrolernya hanya keyboard dan mouse. Oke. Waduh, nggak bisa. Duh, ini sisi J lambat kali ini. Oke. Nah, itu dia motor dragnya. Tuh dia. Yuk, kita naiki. Energi 5.500. Waduh guys, sialan banget. Kita terlempar dari atas. Waduh, saya ambil lagi tuh motornya guys. Waduh, saya ditembak nih guys. Oke, mungkin begitu saja tutorial yang bisa saya berikan. Semoga teman-teman paham dan mengerti apa yang saya jelaskan, dan teman-teman supaya berhasil menginstal GTA ini dengan mudah. Oke. Nah, bagi kalian yang baru menonton video ini, silakan teman-teman subscribe, like, komen, dan share supaya saya semangat lagi membuat video-video tutorial seputaran desktop, PC. Oke. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye.